हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं MPPSC असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश एग्ज़ाम जो क्वेश्चन पेपर जो 2 अगस्त 2026 को कंडक्ट हुआ था। इस वीडियो में हम पेपर के सारे MCQs वन बाय वन सॉल्व करेंगे। और अगर आप MPPSC असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर या UGC नेट या किसी भी असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत यूज़फुल होने वाली है। सो बिना किसी डिले के लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। And the first question is, which punctuation mark is used to indicate omitted words in a quotation? And the answer is ellipsis. Second question, and please आप अपने क्वेश्चन मैच कर लेना आपके कितने क्वेश्चन सही हो रहे हैं. Second question, in the opening of chapter 1 of A Farewell to Arms by Ernest Hemingway, what would the narrator see at the night in the mountains? And the answer is flashes from the artillery. Question number third. Audio blogs are mainly used in the classroom for improving which of the following skills? And the answer is listening. ये क्वेश्चन ईजी था क्योंकि ऑडियो ब्लॉग से सीधा पता चल जाता है कि इसका ये रिलेट करता है लिसनिंग से. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टूडेंट्स एबिलिटीज इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड बाय लिटरेचर रिव्यू? एंड द आंसर इज एबल टू क्रिटिकली रिव्यू एग्जिस्टिंग लिटरेचर. Question number 5. Who is represented by David in the poem Absalom and Achitophel? And the answer is King Charles II and is the famous work of John Dryden. और ये सेम क्वेश्चन मैंने MCQs क्लास में डिस्कस किया था, आप चाहो तो देख सकते हो. Question number 6. What famous declaration does Saturn make about ruling in hell? And the answer is better to reign in hell than serve in heaven. And it is the famous quotation of Paradise Lost by John Milton. Question number 7. In which of the following poems is Sophocles referred to? And the answer is Dover Beach. Question number 8. Why do the Lilliputians initially treated Gulliver kindly? Because of his submissive and good behavior. Next question. In the Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, what is the name of the gang formed by Tom Sawyer and the boys in the cave? ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा कंफ्यूज करने के लिए था बट इसका आंसर काफ़ी इजी है. एंड द आंसर इज टॉम शायर्स गैंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. In On Forgetting, why does the author consider certain kinds of absent-mindedness also almost a virtue? And the answer is because society benefits from forgetful people. अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन में डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हो क्योंकि मैंने ये सारे क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके अच्छे से चेक करके टिक किया है. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द ओरिएंट अकॉर्डिंग टू एडवर्ड सईद इज द स्टेज ऑन विच द होल वर्ल्ड इज कन्फाइंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच फ्रेज इन द विट्सन वेडिंग्स बेस्ट रिफ्लेक्ट्स Larkin's ironic and ambivalent attitudes toward marriage? And the answer is success so huge and wholly farcical. Next question, which of the following novels ends with these lines? The tomb bore the names, and below the names it was written, in their death they were not divided. And it is the famous line of The Mill on the Floss, and this novel by George Eliot. Next question, how does Keats personify autumn in the poem? And the answer is as a calm, mature figure associated with abundance. Next question, who among the following is not a character from the play Dance Like a Man? And the answer is Garuthama. And this play written by Mahesh Dattani. Next question, as per the opening lines of the Canterbury Tales, what is the main reason people long to go on pilgrimage in April? And the answer is to enjoy the beauty of nature and seek holy shrines. ये holy shrines से हमको आंसर आसानी से मिल जाता इस क्वेश्चन का. And it is the famous work of Geoffrey Chaucer. Question number 17. According to Longinus, what is the effect of true sublimity on the soul? And the answer is it lifts up the soul and fills it with delight and glory. Next question, The essay Tradition and the Individual Talent was first published in, and the answer is 1919 in the Egoist. Egoist is the collection of T.S. Eliot. Question number 19. Judith Butler problematics identity categories in the essay Imitation and Gender in Insubordination by claiming that, and the answer is identity categories are tools adopted by regimes to normalize oppressive structures and they become sites for resistance and confrontations against oppressive structures as well. क्योंकि मैंने ये चारों ऑप्शंस चेक किए और मुझे सबसे सूटेबल आंसर यही लगा. अब आप लोग देख लेना कि आप लोगों ने कौन सा आंसर सेलेक्ट किया है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. According to Swami Vivekananda, in our motherland, the bane of our national character is, and the answer is obedience. Next question. In Daddy by Sylvia Plath, the image of the black shoe primarily symbolizes, and the answer is the speaker's sense of oppression and confinement. Next question. The direct method observes which of the following principles of language? And the answer is vocabulary. क्योंकि डायरेक्ट मेथड में हम vocabulary पे फोकस करते हैं और ग्रामर ट्रांसलेशंस में हम ड्रिल मेथड पे फोकस करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Why does Faustus make a pact with the devil in the play Dr. Faustus? And the answer is to obtain knowledge and supernatural power. It is so easy peasy question. And Dr. Faustus written by our famous Christopher Marlowe. Question number 24. In his essay of studies, how does Francis Bacon classify books according to the way they should be read? And this is the famous quotation of Francis Bacon. Some books are to be tasted, others swallowed, and some few chewed and digested. Next question. Which of the following is not a character in Mulk Raj's Anand Untouchable? And the answer is R.N. Bashir, because Havildar, Dharam Singh, Sohini, Pandit Kalinath, these all are the characters in Untouchable by Mulkrand Anand. Question number 26. Which of the following is not correct about Mahatma Gandhi's memories of his childhood? And the answer is his teacher prompted him to copy from his neighbor's tape, which he did not do. ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा मुझे कंफ्यूजिंग लगा था, मैंने चेक किया तो इसका आंसर यही था. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विथ रेफरेंस टू राजू इन द नॉवल द गाइड. एंड द आंसर इज ही वॉज शर्न्ड as a holy man by reverential villagers. Next question. In which year did Patrick White receive the Nobel Prize for Literature? And the answer is 1973. अगर आप लोग नेक्स्ट किसी भी एग्ज़ाम में अपीयर्ड होने वाले हो तो प्लीज़ नोबेल प्राइज़, साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड, पुलित्ज़र प्राइज़, ये सब कुछ एकदम रिमेंबर, हर चीज़ किस ऑथर को किस ईयर में कौन से प्राइज़ मिले, आप इसको प्लीज़ याद करके जाना क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट आइडियल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट डज एच.डी. थोरो अल्टीमेटली सपोर्ट इन हिज सिविल डिसोबीडियंस? एंड द आंसर इज अ गवर्नमेंट दैट गवर्न्स नॉट एट ऑल. ये क्वेश्चन है मैंने अपने MCQs क्लास में डिस्कस किया था. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ओ माई लव इज अ रेड रोज is an example of which of the following? So easy peasy na. And the answer is metaphor. Next question. Where are Satan and his followers cast after his rebellion? Answer is simple. Hell. Next question. What does Absalom represent allegorically in the poem Absalom and Achitophel? And please Absalom and Achitophel by John Dryden, इसको अच्छे से आप लोग पढ़ के जाना किसी भी एग्जाम में क्योंकि इसके ये दो क्वेश्चन काफ़ी फेमस हैं. एक कि अब्सलोम रिप्रेजेंट व्हाट एंड Achitophel रिप्रेजेंट व्हाट. एंड यहाँ पे आंसर है ड्यूक ऑफ मैनमथ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन टू कंप्लीट फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. Most works of art are complicated and there is hardly a single right meaning of a work of art. It is dash Who do the interpretation of meaning in a work of art? And the answer is critics. क्योंकि critics से किसी वर्क्स को इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं अच्छी तरीके से, उसके मीनिंग्स को. The next question is, a passage to India is structurally divided into which three parts? And the answer is mask, caves and temple. और ये क्वेश्चन यूजी नेट में भी बहुत बार आ चुका है. Next question, where specifically would one find the following prayer in the play Hayavadna? Grant us, O Lord, good rains, good crop, prosperity in poetry, science, industry, and other affairs. Give the rulers of our country success in all endeavors, and along with it a little bit of sense. और इतना सारा ये जो लाइन है ये किस लिए दिया गया है, किसके बारे में है? By the female chorus when Devadatta and Kapila meets for the first time. So the next question is, which of the following is not included in phonetics? And answer is meaning of speech sounds. Next question, who is the narrator of the poem Obituary by A.K. Ramanujan? And the answer is the sun. मैंने ये पोम पढ़ी ना तो मुझे लगा कि मतलब कोई ऑथर ऐसा कैसे लिख सकता है अपने पापा के बारे में. So strange. So question number 38, what effect does eating the lotus fruit have on the mariners? And this poem by Alfred Lord Tennyson. And the answer is it makes them lose the will to continue their journey. Next question, in the broader introductory context of the novel's themes, what are the two major cultural and institutional forces in Ireland that Stephen feels he must escape to realize his potential as an artist? And the answer is the Catholic Church and Irish nationalism. और ये कौन से वक्त की बात हो रही है? जेम्स जॉयस की A Portrait of an Artist as a Young Man. Next question, according to William Wordsworth, valuable poetry is produced by a person who possesses organic sensibility and has thought long and deeply. Next question, was The Time Machine considered a landmark work in science fiction? Because it was the progenitor of the time travel subgenre. और लोग कहते हैं कि ये वर्क पहली वर्क थी जो इस लैंडमार्क पे बेस्ड थी साइंस फिक्शन की. ये पहली वर्क है बाय H.G. Wells. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉवेल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू M.K. Naik contrast Oriental and Occidental worldviews in respect of the basic issues such as sex and marriage, society, religion, learning and death? And the answer is कांथापुरा. आप किसी भी वर्क्स की क्रिटिसिज्म को प्लीज़ देख के जाया करो, क्योंकि अब MPPSC भी इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछने लगा है, बिल्कुल UGC नेट वाले ट्रेंड की तरह. अब वो ऊपर से सरफेस लेवल पे क्वेश्चन नहीं आते. बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे जो आपको थोड़ा सिलेबस से थोड़े से बाहर मिलेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन सेल्फ रिलायंस, what does Ralph Waldo Emerson identify as the true mark of genius? And the answer is trusting and expressing one's own inner thought and convictions. ये वर्क मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था, बहुत. It's my favorite. And the next question, the following dictatory lines appear at the beginning of which of the following literary works? To the spirit without whose assistance neither this book nor I would have been written. And the answer is इनविजिबल मैन बाय राल्फ एलिश. देखो आप ये हमारे सिलेबस MPPSC में नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी ये ऑप्शन में डाला गया है. क्यों? कंफ्यूज करने के लिए, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स सोचेंगे कि द कलर पर्पल है हमारे सिलेबस में तो वो ये टिक करके चले आएंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट Monte Carlo simulation in research methodology is not correct? And the answer is it follows 3 core steps: define inputs, perform computation and aggregate results. But यहाँ पे जो बाकी options हैं, it gets its name from the Monte Carlo casino in Monaco. It is a mathematical technique that models the probability of different outcomes by replacing uncertain variables with random sampling. and the technique relies on assigning probability distributions. इस टॉपिक को आप अच्छे से पढ़ के जाना नेक्स्ट एग्जाम में, क्योंकि रिसर्च से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द फर्स्ट known draft of A Doll's House was entitled, and the answer is Scenes from Modern Marriage. Next question. What comparison does Dunn use to describe the lover's shoal? And the answer is like a compass. ये तो काफ़ी easy question था. Next question. What is the central conflict of William Shakespeare's play The Merchant of Venice? ये भी question easy है. A legal dispute between Antonio and Shylock over a loan. Next question. What is the primary objective of the spectator as stated in the early essays? And the answer is to improve manners and morals of society. Question number 50. In The Ecstasy by John Donne, where are the lovers seated while their shoal unite? And the answer is on a river bank, hand in hand. काफ़ी romantic थे हमारे John Donne. And the next question. Jiddu Krishnamurti was born in? And the answer is 1895. अब ऑथर्स कब बॉर्न हुए, डेथ, हर कुछ याद करके जाना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ विलियम शेक्सपियर्स प्ले हैमलेट? एंड द आंसर इज अ डेनिश लीजेंड रिकॉर्डेड बाय Saxo Grammaticus in Gesta Danorum. Next question. How does Boswell primarily portray Samuel Johnson in his biography? And the answer is as a complex personality with both strengths and flaws. Next question. According to MLA Handbook 8th edition, editing a quotation should preserve the dash of the original text. And the answer is meaning. MLA Handbook के एडिशन के लिए के बारे में हमेशा क्वेश्चन आता है, तो आप जो भी रिसेंट एडिशन हो उसके बारे में पढ़ के जाया करो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चूज द करेक्ट आंसर विथ रेफरेंस टू द पोम नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन बाय निज़मेज़िकिल. व्हाट एफर्ट्स टू द विलेजर्स नॉट मेक टू रिलीव द वुमेन्स पेन? इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? क्या नहीं किए थे वो लोग? They finally found it and killed to make it still so that she would get relief. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, बट हाँ बाकी के जो आंसर्स हैं वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है. They wished the scorpion to remain motionless wherever it was. They chanted the name of God. They began to search for the scorpion. And the next question. Why does Gertrude Morrell shift her focus on emotional reliance entirely on her children? And the answer is because her husband becomes an irresponsible drunkard, leading her to hate him and seek solace in her children. And ये कौन से वर्क की बात हो रही है? बात हो रही है T.H. लॉरेंस के वर्क्स सन्स एंड लवर्स की. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In William Langland Spire's Plowman, in his dream, the narrator sees a fair field full of dash found I there between, representing peoples from all walks of life. And the answer is folk. Next question. Mercutio's line, "You shall find me a grave man," in Romeo and Juliet is an example of which of the following? And the answer is pun. Next question. What is the central situation presented in the poem Ulysses? Ulysses plans to reclaim lost glory in a final adventure. आई होप आप सब ने ये पोम पढ़ी होगी, और अभी तो मूवीज़ भी आई है ना, ऑडिसी, ये भी उसी पे बेस्ड है. अब तो एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो गया, आप लोग देख सकते हो. एंड दिस इज द फेमस वर्क इज बाय टेनिसन. Next question. How does Francis Bacon explain the reason why people are often attracted to lies in his essay of Truth? And the answer is because of a natural but corrupt love of lies themselves. सही है ना? And the next question is, what does the speaker in To His Coy Mistress by Andrew Marvell propose in the concluding stanza of the poems? And the answer is to seize the present moment with passion. Next question. With which of the following is formal style associated? And answer is more careful speaking. ये काफ़ी नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन था. ऑब्वियसली फॉर्मल स्टाइल में हम केयरफुल तरीके से ही बात करेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what does the fairy queen symbolize in the fairy queen? And the answer is glory and Queen Elizabeth I. Next question, which step comes after storing data in the computer? And the answer is selecting statistical measures. Next question, in which book does the essay structure, sign and play in the discourse of the human science appear? And this works by Jacques Derrida. And the answer is Writing and Difference. और प्लीज़ आप लोग कौन सा वर्क किस बुक के अंदर पब्लिश्ड हुआ है ये चीज़ भी देख के जाओ और याद करके जाओ, क्योंकि वहाँ पे जाने के बाद ना ऐसे वर्क्स में हमेशा कन्फ्यूज़न होता है, खासकर लिटरेरी थियरी वाले टॉपिक में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्ट्स एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस ऑन ईस्टर वेडनेसडे इन द सिल्वर बॉक्स? एंड द आंसर इज Act 2 and Act 3. And this works written by John Galsworthy, and he was famous for his problem play. Next question. In the lines, she had 3 lilies in her hand and the stars in her hair were 7. What do these symbols mainly suggest about the blessed Tamosil? And the answer is her spiritual purity and divine grace. And this works by Dizzy Rossetti, and he belongs to Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood. Next question. In Robert Frost's poem, The Road Not Taken, what does the speaker ultimately say that made all the difference in his life? And the answer is taking the road less travelled by. Next question. The word Shanti in the Westland should be understood in relation to which of the following? And the answer is the Upanishadic tradition. Upanishadic tradition. Sorry for my pronunciation. And this is the famous works by T.S. Eliot. और T.S. Eliot के वेस्टलैंड से किसी एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन नहीं आया, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है. Next question. Which Indian philosopher and aesthetician dwells predominantly on Shantaras in his works? And the answer is Abhinav Gupta. Next question. Fill in the blanks in the given line. Justice was done and dash in Aeschylean phrase as ended his spot with Tess. And the answer is the D'Urberville Night. Next question. What image does Marvel use to emphasize the inevitability of death? And the answer is Time's Winged Chariot. ये एक फेमस सिंबल है इस पोम का. और भी फेमस सिंबल हैं जैसे वेजिटेबल लव, और कौन से 2 रिवर का मेंशन आता है इस पोम में, ये भी फेमस क्वेश्चन है. गंगा एंड हम्बर, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कंट्रोल्ड प्रोसेसिंग इन द ग्रामर ट्रांसलेशन मैथड मे लीड टू ए लैक ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? इट लैक्स फ्लुएंसी, बिकॉज इस मैथड में हम ड्रिल मैथड पे फोकस करते हैं, द रटिफिकेशन. So next question. In the time machine, what do the Eloi and Marlaks primarily symbolize? And the answer is the degeneration of social classes under unchecked capitalism. Next question. As I walked through the wilderness of this world, I light on a certain place where was a den. What does den symbolize in this opening line from the Pilgrim's Progress? And the answer is a forest shelter. Next question. What would the speaker in the poem to his coy mistress do if he had world enough and time? और आप देख सकते हो एंड्रू मार्वेल के टू हिज कॉय मिस्ट्रेस से 3rd या 4th क्वेश्चन. सो प्लीज़ मेटाफिजिकल पोइट्स के बारे में पढ़ के जाना. नॉट ओनली एंड्रू मार्वेल बट जॉन डर्न, एंड्रू मार्वेल and many more authors. And the answer is spent centuries admiring in different parts of his beloved's body and heart. Next question. The 8 primary sentiments that are recognized in drama as per the Natya Shastra are? And the answer is erotic, comic, pathetic, furious, heroic, terrible, odious and marvelous. पहले मुझे लगा था कि आंसर सी होगा, बट फिर जब मैंने चेक किया तो पहला ही आंसर माना गया है. So the next question is, which two characters enters the stage at the beginning of Act First, Scene 2 of William Shakespeare's play The Tempest? And the answer is Prospero and Miranda. Next question. What does Shelley request the west wind to do for him in the poem? And the answer is spread his ideas like leaves among mankind. ऐसा होता है क्या? What is Crusoe's reactions upon discovering the single footprint on the island? And the answer is he is terrified and deeply disturbed. Next question. In the shadow lines, what is the name by which the narrator usually addresses Maya Devi? देख सकते हो आप इस नॉवेल से कितना डीप क्वेश्चन है. And the answer is Maya Di. And this novel by Amitabh Ghosh. Next question. For what purpose does Whiteboard provide English language learners as a space? And the answer is to collaborate on writing tasks. Next question. According to the historical context in Great Expectations, the novel is primarily set during which period of English history? And the answer is the early 19th century. And the Great Expectations written by Charles Dickens. And ये शायद उनकी लास्ट नॉवल, नो सीक्रेट ऑफ एडविन ड्रूड इनकी लास्ट नॉवल थी, बट इस नॉवल पे बहुत सारी मूवीज़ बेस्ड हैं, आप देख सकते हो, यूट्यूब पे शायद फ्री भी है. हाउ इज सर रोजर डी कवर्ली कैरेक्टराइज्ड इन रिचर्ड स्टील्स एसेज? एंड द आंसर इज एज अ ह्यूमरस एंड बेनेवलेंट कंट्री जेंटलमैन. और ये शायद थर्ड क्वेश्चन है रिचर्ड स्टील्स के ऐसे पे. Next question. In the poem The Good Morrow, what metaphor does John Donne use to describe the lover's room? And the answer is a world. Next question. What are sounds produced without affecting the vocal cords called? And the answer is voiceless sounds. Question number 87. In his poem When Lilacs Last and the Dooryard Bloomed, whom does Walt Whitman mourn through the poem? And the answer is Abraham Lincoln. ये क्वेश्चन भी बहुत सारे एग्जाम में सेम टू सेम आ चुका है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन द पोम बिचेस, व्हाट इज रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट इनिशियली इमेजिन टू बी द रीजन फॉर द बेंडिंग ऑफ द बर्च ट्रीज? एंड द आंसर इज अ बॉय स्विंगिंग ऑन द बिचेस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वेज आर वावल साउंड्स प्रोड्यूस्ड? एंड द आंसर इज फ्री फ्लो ऑफ एयर. Next question. Choose the correct option to answer the following question. How are the marriage veils of a queen described by Sarojini Naidu in her poem Indian Weavers? And the answer is solemn and still like moonlit chill. Next question. In Dr. Faustus, the chorus describes Faustus as rising in knowledge but ultimately failing because his waxen wings did mount above his reach. This metaphor suggests that Faustus become over ambitious and was ruined by his pride. रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसा होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन द पोम आई टेस्ट द लीकर नेवर ब्रूड, व्हाट डज एमिली डिकिंसन कंपेयर हर इंटेंस जॉय एंड एक्साइटमेंट? एंड द आंसर इज अ स्टेट ऑफ ड्रंकनेस कॉज्ड बाय नेचर एंड समर एयर. एमिली डिकिंसन काफ़ी नेचर से काफ़ी रिलेट करती हैं, लाइक वर्ड्सवर्थ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Choose the correct answer to fill in the blanks with reference to Wings of Fire by APJ Abdul Kalam. Technology is not based on individual intelligence but on the interaction of many people. Next question. What is the central theme suggested in the famous opening lines of Pride and Prejudice? And the answer is marriage is primarily driven by social and economic considerations. Next question. Which of the following is the main purpose of editing in data analysis? And the answer is to ensure data are accurate. Next question. Why are Nora Helmer from A Doll's House become a global symbol? And this works by Henrik Ibsen. And the answer is because it symbolizes women's struggle for liberation and equality. ये शायद सेकंड क्वेश्चन है हेनरी गिब्सन के डॉल्स हाउस से. Next question. I write of melancholy by being busy to avoid melancholy. What reason does Robert Burton gives for writing this work? And the answer is to cure himself of melancholy. Next question. Which theme is most powerfully conveyed at the end of Riders to the Sea? And the answer is the inevitability of death and human helplessness because before fate and nature. And Riders to the Sea के राइटर कौन है? J.M. Sinch. Question number 99. According to Macaulay, what is the relationship between the advancement for civilization and the art of poetry? And the answer is poetry almost necessarily declines because the vocabulary of an enlightened society is philosophical and that of a half civilized people is poetical. Next question. The theory proposed by Anandavardhana is known by the name. The answer is Dhwani. Next question. According to On the Rule of the Road, why does Gardiner describe the policeman at Piccadilly Circus as symbol not of tyranny but of liberty? And the answer is because restricting individual actions helps to preserve social order and freedom for all. Next question. Which of the following is not a correct match? And the answer is agitation. हर्षा ये राइट नहीं है. प्राइड मदा हो जाएगा. डिस्पेयर विषाद एंड ड्रीमिंग सुप्तम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन द 7 meditations chapter specifically within the section on peace, how does the text distinguish between peace as a root and peace as a fruit of the spirit? And the answer is peace the root is a necessary condition of spirituality that can be achieved through effort, while peace the fruit is the peace of God that passes all understanding. Next question. Who is primarily responsible for giving King Arthur the sword Excalibur in the poem Le Morte d'Arthur? And the answer is the Lady of the Lake. Next question. In Twelfth Night by William Shakespeare, what does Act 1st, Scene 1 takes place? And the answer is a room in the Duke's Palace. अब देख सकते हो विलियम शेक्सपियर के प्ले के एक्ट से काफ़ी क्वेश्चन आया है क्योंकि अब जानते हैं कि शेक्सपियर के बेसिक्स के बारे में सबको पता है. तो दैट्स वाई आप लोगों को अब अच्छे से टेक्स्ट पढ़ के जाना है. अकॉर्डिंग टू एडवर्ड सेड, why is Great Expectations primarily a novel about self-delusion? Because Pip attempts to become a gentleman vainly. Because उसको लगता है कि अगर वो एक बड़ा आदमी बन जाएगा, जेंटलमैन बन जाएगा तो सब उसका रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे. और मिस हैविशम उसका शादी, वो जो हीरोइन होती है ना इस नॉवल की, आई कांट रिमेंबर राइट नाउ, उससे हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In Emily Dickinson's poem, Because I Would Not Stop for Death, who accompanies the speaker and death in the carriage? And the answer is immortality. Next question. According to Johnson, what is the defining characteristics of metaphysical poets like John Donne? And the answer is their use of wit and intellectual conceits. अब हम थोड़ा फास्ट चलेंगे. Das is the general term in Sanskrit for all dramatic compositions. And the answer is Rupak. According to Wordsworth, why does the glory of childhood fade as one grows older? And the answer is because of loss of imagination and spiritual vision. Next question. Which of the following targets of learning is defined by the grammar translation method? And the answer is vocabulary lists and grammar rules. Next question. Why does the ancient mariner shoot the albatross? And the answer is out of sudden irrational impulse. And Ancient Mariner, written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Next question, again research. Which of the following is a technique of qualitative research? And the answer is projective method. Next question, how many pure vowels are included in the 44 speech sounds of received pronunciation? And the answer is 12. और ये एग्जैक्ट क्वेश्चन मैंने MCQs में डिस्कस किया था अपने लास्ट MCQs के क्लास में, रिसर्च वाली क्लास में. आप चाहो तो चेक कर सकते हो, सेम टू सेम क्वेश्चन था और मैंने बोला भी था कि क्वेश्चन आएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डू द ओपनिंग लाइन्स ऑफ द लास्ट राइड टुगेदर प्राइमरली रिवील अबाउट द स्पीकर सिचुएशन? आई सेड देन डियरेस्ट, सिंस इट इज सो, सिंस नाउ एट लेंथ माई फेट आई नो. And the answer is he accepts the rejections of his love with calm resignation. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये मैच द लिस्ट है, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा फर्स्ट, जिसमें डिस्क्रिप्टिव रिसर्च रिसर्च हो जाएगा, प्रेजेंट स्टेट ऑफ अफेयर्स, अप्लाइड रिसर्च, प्रैक्टिकल सोल्यूशन, फंडामेंटल रिसर्च, थियरी फॉर्मुलेशन, empirical research, observation and experiments. So please remember all types of research. Next question. In viral modernism, Elizabeth Outker argues that the imagery of chaos and disintegration in the Second Coming by W.B. Yeats is linked not only to war but also to the traumatic impact of a pandemic. Next question. The title Arms and the Man is derived from the opening line of which classical work? And the answer is the Aeneid. And this work written by G.B. Shaw. Next question. According to MLA Handbook 8th edition, what is the list of sources you borrow from the end of a paper called? And the answer is works cited. ये थोड़ा easy था. Next question. The theoretical thesis mainly deals with abstract problems. Next question. Which of the following is not a chronicle play of Shakespeare's? And the answer is Hamlet, because Richard II, Henry V and Henry IV part 1 and 2 ये सारे chronicle play थे शेक्सपियर के. 122 question. According to Arnold, the quoted words beginning, the future of poetry is immense, were first used in? And the answer is essays in criticism. Next question. How does Francisco describe his condition while standing guard in Act 1, Scene 1 of the play Hamlet? And the answer is he is sick at heart. Next question. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Considering Kalidasa's interest and admiration for the beauty of Dash, it leads to the conclusion that he must have been a native of that city. And the answer is Ujjaini. अगर किसी ने पेपर वन अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा ना MPPSC का, तो उससे ये आंसर आसानी से बन जाता. Next question. In which of the following novels do Asima and Ashok figure? And the answer is The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri. Next question. What mighty contest rise from trivial things in this line from the rape of the lock? What does the phrase trivial things refers to? And the answer is a lock of hair. And this famous works is by Alexander Pope. Next question. Identify the correct statements. And इसमें आंसर मैं डायरेक्ट बता देती हूँ. Aristotle states that from childhood man have an instinct from imitation, and that distinguishes man from other animals is that he is far more imitative. सिंपल है यार, बचपन से हम आसपास देखते हुए आ रहे हैं हर चीज़ को, हमारे पापा कैसे कर रहे हैं, हमारी मम्मी कैसे कर, उनका क्या बिहेवियर है, वही इम्पैक्ट हमारे पे भी पड़ता है. और ऐसा जानवरों में नहीं होता है, सिर्फ इंसानों में होता है. तो इमिटेशन करना कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. इस बात को सपोर्ट किए थे एरिस्टोटल. Next question. In Sonnet 24 by William Shakespeare, how does the poet describe the role of his eyes in his relation to his beloved's beauty? And the answer is his eyes act like a painter, capturing the beloved's image in his heart. Next question. Jacques Derrida's of Grammatology offers a critical examination of Western philosophical tradition of logocentrism, which means? The answer is Western philosophy has privileged speech over writing, viewing speech as embodying an immediate presence of meaning and written as a mere secondary representation of the spoken word. And जितने भी लिटरेरी थियरी में थियरिस्ट हैं और उनकी टर्म्स हैं, जैसे डेरिडा की ऑफ ग्रामेटोलॉजी में लोगोसेंट्रिसिज्म है और उनके टर्म्स हैं डिफरेंस, अपोरिया. इस सारे टर्म्स को आप लोग याद करके जाओ और समझ के जाओ कि ये आखिर हैं क्या, क्योंकि ये स्टेटमेंट वाइज क्वेश्चन समझने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है अगर आपको कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं पता हो. सो 130 क्वेश्चन. द फाइनल इमेज ऑफ लेडी लजारस by Sylvia Plath, rising out of the ash with red hair, most strongly suggests a mythical and phoenix-like rebirth. Next question. What does the researcher do before the analysis of the data? And the answer is code the data. Which of the following do structured interviews involve? And the answer is predetermined questions. Next question. The phrase the plaintiff is ready to take the witness stand belongs to which of the following registers? And the answer is legal register. Next question. Sounds in complementary distributions can be grouped as which of the following? And the answer is Allophones of the same phoneme. ये लैंग्वेज एंड पेडागोजी वाले टॉपिक से काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस आए हैं और रिसर्च से भी. सो आप प्लीज़ ये दोनों टॉपिक को छोड़ के मत जाना नेक्स्ट एग्ज़ाम में, क्योंकि यूजीसी नेट और एमपीपीएससी ये दोनों में भर भर के क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं आजकल लैंग्वेज और रिसर्च से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नो देन unnumbered spirits rounds deeply fly. Who are these spirits described in the rape of the lock? The answer is sylphs. Next question. How many parts are there in Eugene O'Neill's Morning Becomes Electra? ये क्वेश्चन ही मैंने करवाया था अपने PYQ MCQ सेशन में. And the answer is 3 parts. और क्या थे वो थ्री पार्ट्स? फर्स्ट होमकमिंग, सेकेंड हंटेड एंड थर्ड हॉन्टेड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The famous lines, as flies to wanton boys are we to the gods, they kill us for this spot, quoted by Thomas Hardy in the preface to Tess of the D'Urbervilles, originally appear in this play. And the answer is King Lear. Next question. Where is the first act of the play Look Back in Anger set? And the answer is at the Porter's one-room flat in a large Midland town. ये जॉन स्पॉन्स के लुक बैक इन एंगर, ये हर एग्ज़ाम में ये एक्ट से क्वेश्चन आते हैं, तो आप इसके ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट को हो सके तो पढ़ के जाओ अगर आपके पास टाइम हो तो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन फर्न हिल बाय डैनियल टॉमस, व्हाट इज सजेस्टेड बाय दैट लाइन, टाइम हेल्ड मी ग्रीन एंड डाइंग? एंड द आंसर इज यूथ एंड मोर्टैलिटी एग्जिस्ट साइमल्टेनियसली इन ह्यूमन लाइफ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द प्लॉट ऑफ द प्ले हयावदना कम्स फ्रॉम? And the answer is Katha Sarit Sagar, and it's play by Girish Karnad. Sorry. How does Shelley primarily describe the skylark in the poem? And the answer is as an invisible divine spirit of joy. Next question. Longitudinal research is carried on over? The answer is several time periods. इसमें होता है कि एक रिसर्च ये सेवरल टाइम पीरियड के साथ चलते रहता है, लेकिन वो एक ही टॉपिक पे बेस्ड होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मोटिवेशन रिसर्च इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टाइप ऑफ? एंड द आंसर इज क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च, क्योंकि क्वांटिटेटिव रिसर्च में स्टैटिक्स पे फोकस करते हैं एंड क्वालिटेटिव में हम क्वालिटी पे फोकस करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द लेटेंट ड्रीम थॉट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू अंडरगो अल्टरेशन, अ प्रोसेस व्हिच सिगमंड फ्रॉइड कॉल्स? And the answer is dream distortion. And the last slide of this PYQ series. What is the primary reason Robinson Crusoe leaves his home despite his father's advice? And the answer is to pursue a life of adventure at sea. Next question. मैंने PYQ बोल दिया था, MCQ बोलेंगे इसको अभी फिलहाल. What is the main reason why Gulliver refuses to destroy Blefuscu? And the answer is he does not want to enslave free people. Next question. In William Shakespeare's Sonnet 26, how does the poet describe his relationship to his beloved in the opening line? And the answer is as a servant bound in duty and loyalty. क्या बात है यार, शेक्सपियर जैसे लोग भी इतने अच्छे थे अपनी beloved के लिए. Next question. How is Tom Jones primarily characterized in the novel? And the answer is as good-hearted but impulsive and flawed. Tom Jones by Henry Fielding. Next question. According to Ferdinand de Saussure, the term signified refers to? And the answer is the concept or meaning associated with the spoken word. A signifier क्या होता है? जब हम कोई वर्ड बोलते हैं और हमारे दिमाग में जो उस वर्ड के लिए जो इमेज क्रिएट होती है उसको हम सिग्निफायर बोलते हैं. और सिग्निफाइड मतलब तो कॉन्सेप्ट, उस इमेज से रिलेटेड जो कॉन्सेप्ट होते हैं. जैसे मैंने एक इमेज क्रिएट किया अपने दिमाग में सिग्निफायर के रूप में एक एप्पल, तो उस इमेज के बारे में हम उसकी क्वालिटी के बारे में जो बात सोचते हैं कि वो एप्पल रेड होगा, राउंड शेप में होगा, खाने में मीठा होगा, तो वो उसका क्या हो जाएगा? सिग्निफाइड. Next question and the last question of this session. And draw a deadly bodkin from her side. Why does Belinda in The Rape of the Lock take out the bodkin? And the answer is to fight the Baron. So today is for all. अगर आपको ये सेशन पसंद आया, मैं ऐसे ही सारे क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करूँगी जो भी आने वाले एग्ज़ाम्स होंगे। सो प्लीज़ मेरे सेशन को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर देना आप लोग, और प्लीज़ कमेंट करना कि आपके कितने क्वेश्चन सही हुए। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग मी।